it's a quite a large number, and trying to add to that number, knowing that we're going through this situation, is just putting a lot of the animals at risk.
280 to be exact. Right now, workers at the Triad Animal Shelter are working to try and control an outbreak of parvo. The potentially deadly disease was discovered at the Guilford County Animal Services. Fox 8's Aaliyah Sims, she joins us now, and I gotta imagine all hands are on deck here. Aaliyah, what are they doing to try and keep the virus from spreading?
Well, Chad, they're limiting the amount of dogs they are taking in right now unless it's an emergency like a dangerous animal or a neglected dog. As soon as the medical team discovered 2 dogs were showing symptoms of the virus, they immediately put those dogs and others who were exposed in isolation and started to deep clean the facility. Those who work at Guilford County Animal Services in Greensboro have been spraying and cleaning the facility with water and bleach. Tuesday night, they started limiting their intake of dogs after medical teams discovered 2 dogs taken in less than 2 weeks ago tested positive for parvovirus.
As they were doing their rounds, they noticed that the dogs were showing symptoms. They were vomiting and some diarrhea. Those are some of the telltale signs that we would run a test.
Hi, sweetie.
Veterinarian Dr. Avery Gottwalt sees dozens of pets a day at the Adams Farm Animal Hospital in Greensboro. While she has only seen 2 cases of parvo so far this year, she knows how highly contagious the virus can be.
And it can really affect these dogs, make them very dehydrated and cause them to even die sometimes.
This isn't just about one dog testing positive. This is really about helping prevent the spread of this disease.
Jorge Ortega, who oversees the 280 animals at the facility, says all dogs who come in are vaccinated for parvo.
So we see dogs of all ages coming into our facility with unknown backgrounds. So we don't know their vaccine history, we don't know what they've been exposed to.
He says the new facility is designed to help prevent these types of situations from going from bad to worse.
We're able to isolate and segregate our population the way we are. So we're still conducting adoptions as normal. We're going to do what we can to find homes for the dogs that we have in order to make more room for those healthy strays that need to come into the system, so we have space for them.
Now, those 2 dogs that contracted parvo and the other dogs who are exposed, they're all in isolation for 2 weeks. I'm told younger dogs have a higher risk of getting the virus, and the best prevention against parvo is to make sure your dog is vaccinated and are up to date with routine vaccines to help fight off the infection.